The market has been a little dramatic the past couple weeks. Maybe it needs a Snickers or a soda to quench its thirst. Let's take a look at where the market's going ahead of some major data this week. Tomorrow we get PPI in the morning. When you see this video, that's probably already happened. And we get CPI on Wednesday. I think the market is going higher. Looking at the volume profile, we've taken over some great support, and there are some tradable areas with significant upside. Looking at my chart here, you can see I have my volume profile, its nodes, the thin zones. If you guys want to learn more about trading the volume profile, you could trade with us on tradetoclose.com. I'll give you a free 7-day trial just because I'm extra generous. I gave you a Snickers, I gave you a soda, I'm giving you targets. Might as well get a free 7-day trial. Anyway, looking at SPY, you can see we dipped below what I like to look at support, not the moving averages, which of course we did in the 21-day and the 50-day. We also broke these areas of support. We have our point of control on this volume profile sample of 545.20. Then we gapped further below this volume node, which is around 527.50. All right. So breaking below these levels, we had that follow through. Now the market is trying to bounce back. All right. So we're seeing it grab above these areas now, that 527.50 level, and holding that support into CPI, into economic data. This is showing that we should get a further bounce here. So your area of support is right around that 527 level, that 527.50. Holding this, we are cleared up to about 545. I said it correct this time, in SPY. So this is a really nice bullish trade. In this scenario, I'd be looking at a nice multi-day and possible multi-week bounce up into this area. Recording this, we'll see if I'm right or wrong as we bounce into tomorrow. Into the rest of the week. That is my guess. I will be incorrect, and this trade will be out the window if, let's say, we do in fact gap below these areas or close below these areas. So as long as we hold support, the bullish narrative is intact. I will be wrong, and I'll reevaluate my trading plan if we in fact break below the support here. So really nice upside trade happening right now in SPY. CPI and PPI will let us know if that trade will continue to move or if it'll fail, right? Technical patterns can fail all the time. But I would say if I had to put a percentage on it, 70% chance we're going to be higher in the next few days. Looking at the Qs, as I know you guys like to also look at the Qs, and obviously technology has been a leader in this market. The Qs are finding an area to break over. So we're hitting resistance right now on the Qs. That economic data can help us break above or gap above this this area of resistance. It will turn into support just like we saw in SPY. And there's an amazing upside trading zone right to about 477.64, or I'll say 477 just to make it a clean break. So if CPI and PPI can have the market rip roar and have a rip roar and hell of a time, this bullish thesis will be a great trade plan and pay us nicely as long as we hold this support. The support in Qs, that's around 451.36 or 451.30 in this area. If we somehow start to gap below or can't break above this area, then again, I'm going to reevaluate the plan. And of course, I'll be sending out a gorgeous YouTube video just like this one. All right, guys, we have that economic data coming this week. Let's see if that 70% bullish case scenario will follow through. If you guys have any targets you want to share in SPY, the Qs, or any stocks, make sure to comment below. I do watch them, the good, the bad, the ugly, and the beautiful.